Spearmaster. We have a 2010 Honda Civic. Show you how to take the tail light out. You need to change the bulb or replace the assembly. This is pretty easy. We're going to pop the lid. And on most cars there's little screws here and push pins that hold it in, but not on this one. This is going to have the bolts on the inside of the trim. So you have to remove this inner trim. See, there's different clips that hold it on. One there, one there. You may have to take this panel off here. So we're going to start with that. Take this panel off. We're going to just kind of pry it lightly. You can actually do that by hand. Pop that off. That was real simple. Now we're going to take these clips out. We're going to spin them a little bit. And you might have to get in there between the clip and the base to pry it out. Put a little pin in there and pull that out. Any way you can get it out. There you go. Get the next one. Alright, so I got those two clips out. I'm going to take the trim out. Bend that down. And if you look in here, try to get some light. You can see there are 8mm bolts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's these little wire caps here. Just take them off. Now, if you want to change the bulbs, you could actually just twist the bulbs out through here. Disconnect these. I would recommend using a screwdriver, just pressing down on that little piece there. They all have the same. And then pull out. You can actually twist the bulb out right here if you want to twist it out and replace the bulb. That's a little tough to do, but you can do it. And that's the way I would do it. Because to get the whole assembly out, you have to take the whole bumper off. Because there's a little bracket under here that's connected to the light. So there's 3 there. Twist them out. Boom. Bang. Here's the bulb. You pull it out like a Christmas light. You just pull it straight out. And there's little numbers on the bulb, or you can take it to your local supply, tell them what you need it for, make, model of the car, if it's a turn light, stop light, whatever. They will replace it. You plug it back in the socket, and you go back in. See the hole? Only goes in one way, and then you twist it and replug it. So that's how you change the bulb. Now, but to take the assembly out, we're going to take these 4 8mm out. Then I'm going to take these 2 10mm down there, and that will come out. In fact, it may come out with even not even doing that. We're going to find out. So we're going to take these 4 8mm out. And we're going to pull on it. And like I said, you're going to have to take these 2 10mm bolts out right here. You take them out, and then the light assembly will slide out. You take them out. That's it. You get those 2 10s out. And the light wants to come right out. Alright, so we still got the wiring harness connected. I didn't do that, but I showed you how to disconnect the bulbs. Just disconnect each bulb and the light will come out. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. I hope this helped.